Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Lusha for quick contact discovery link to LinkedIn step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Lusha website. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click on it. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. After completing the form, click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Lusha. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Lusha website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Chrome Extensions section. Click on the option to install the Lusha Chrome extension. Allow the installation process to complete, and then pin the extension to your Chrome toolbar. Next, head to LinkedIn and log into your account. Browse through profiles relevant to your networking needs. When you find a profile, click on the Lusha extension icon in your browser. The Lusha pop-up will display the available contact information linked to that profile. Review the displayed information and click the Save button to store the contact details. Repeat this process for any additional LinkedIn profiles you want to gather information from. To access your saved contacts, go back to the Lusha dashboard. Here, you can view, manage, and download the contact details you have discovered. If needed, explore Lusha's additional features and tools on your dashboard for a more comprehensive discovery experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.